What's up guys, welcome back to another one. So today I am in Owerri, Imo State. I'm just here to kind of like show you guys what the things and things you can find in Owerri, the places, the foods, the houses, the architecture and all that. So that's specifically what I'm going to be doing in Owerri today. So as you can see, so far the environment of Owerri is cool. So far so good, and I think I'll be enjoying my stay in Owerri. So guys, I hope you guys really enjoy this video. So basically guys, right now I'm at this buka shop, Mama Puts. It's morning and we're about to have our breakfast. So today I'm going to be having beans, plantain and white rice. It's time to enjoy the breakfast. So guys, come eat with me. So apparently we are done from control, so now we are heading to another location. Let's go and see what we can find there. Right now I'm at the MC Junction, so as you can see the drone is about to take off, so I want to show you guys some of these environments. Let's see how it looks. I want to show you an area view of MC Junction and all that. So let's go, let's take the drone to the sky. So guys, I'm done with the MC Junction shots. So now we have to head to another location. Right now I'm at this I used to hear this place is called Rocha's Hotel or something like that, but let me try to figure out, let me see if I can find the actual name of this place. So right now I'm in this hotel. Like, it's been a very long hour. We've been shooting, we've been flying drones, we've been doing a lot of things, we've been doing a lot of coverage. So I said to myself, man, enough guy, the weather is fucking hot. Damn, I don't have to say fucking in my videos, I don't have to say the F word in my videos. So the weather is quite very hot. So what I said okay, let's look for a cool place to sit down, relax, and have a bottle of beer or a bottle of drink, cold drink, and then head out again for the shots. So that's what I'm trying to say. Also guys, let's keep rolling, let's keep the camera rolling, and I hope you guys really enjoying what I've shown you guys earlier. So as you can see, the hotel is not that bad. It's a very big hotel. Oh yeah, I just saw the name now. I just saw the name of the hotel. This place is called the Rock View. This is a Rock View hotel, and I'm in Rock View. So currently I'm in the Rock View Hotel Owerri. It's quite a very big place, if you can see for yourself, and if you've been here you already know how Rock View is. It's a very cool place, a very nice place to be. Right now we are going to have one bottle of beer just to calm the temperature down. So I hope you guys really enjoying this video so far. So apparently guys, seems like after taking this one bottle of beer, what is happening is still happening. What I mean what's happening is still happening is like my temperature is still high. I think I need to jump inside the swimming pool. Let's do this. So right now I'm already ready to jump inside the swimming pool, as you can see, and let's celebrate. Let's jump inside the pool. Good morning. It's another day. I'm currently still in Owerri. So this morning I'm about to head out for the day. Let's go in search of another location or a good place to share with you guys. And I hope so far you guys have been enjoying this video. Let's get going. See you outside there. Guys, so na kwefe na eme here, guy, I didn't care about English kita. As in, I know new motor man. I want to check up over my. We've been trying to reach to this location for almost like 2 hours now, but we couldn't get to this location. You know why? Because of the traffic. The roads are very, very terrible. I'm not vexing you. I know maybe work. I'm just trying to express it the way. So I was supposed to go to this estate I told you guys about, Akachi Estate. They said it was built by Rocha's wife. That is the ex-governor of Imo State. His wife built this real estate, and I heard the estate is black. The estate is very beautiful. I've been trying to get to this estate for so long now, man. Even my car is overheating. I don't even want to talk about my car and all that. I just want to show you guys, to tell you guys like the stress filmmakers or video content creators do take to, to bring a very good content to you guys. I think I was supposed to be going this way. I was supposed to go into this estate here, this one now right here, but the road is bad. I have to get down there before I can make a U-turn, then get to that estate. I think that's where the estate is located. So guys, so far I've been doing what I can, but if I couldn't make it, maybe it will be like next time I come to Warri. Finally, I made it to this hotel. It's called the Royal Spring Palm Hotel and Apartment. So finally I made it here. I'm very, very glad that I made it here after the whole thing, after the whole stress. And yeah, I think it's worth the stress, the traffic, the car overheating and all that. So I think it's worth all those stress. So I'm so excited. I'm very happy, guys. You can't even imagine. You cannot even imagine that this kind of place exists in Owerri, Imo State. So guys, I want to go upstairs now. I want to go upstairs to the bar upstairs. Then I'm going to show you guys. Things from the upstairs. Lovely things from the upstairs. And you're definitely going to like it. Here is very cool. But for the meantime, just take a look at the view from my backhand. Let me just rotate around. You can see the view around here. It's cool. And I love this place so far. I haven't even done anything yet, but I'm really, really, really enjoying my stay. Even going to the bar, I'm already excited. So it's really, really worth the stress and all that. So guys, I will give you guys a simple B-roll of this place. And for the meantime, I want to do something. Just take a look at the bar. When you look at the bar, over there, that's the pool. You understand? So you can see, you can't even imagine there's some place like this in Owerri. I hope you guys are really, really enjoying this video. But let's continue showing you guys good content. Peace. So currently, guys, I'm at this place. This is like an open bar, and it's called Mimi. It's a very cool place. Like when you can come around, chill at night. You get to where you wanna have a very cool night life. This place is located, I think, along the World Bank, Port Harcourt Road. It's a very nice place to chill at night. Live performance, live song. So guys, let's go inside and see what Mimi got and what we can see inside Mimi. Hello guys, good morning. It's another day. We're still in Owerri, currently still in Owerri. So today is gonna be the end of my day in Owerri. So right now I'm trying to head to Abia State, specifically Aba in Abia State. So let's see what Aba's got to offer, and hopefully Aba will be very, very good. So guys, that's all I can show you guys today about Owerri in Imo State, and my next location is going to be Aba in Abia State. So guys, I'll see you in Abia. I will see you in Abia State. Peace out.